You are learning to speak English? Native speakers often use some phrases in their daily routine conversation. A beginner spoken English learner too can easily start speaking these phrases. Your English will sound natural and smart. Hello everyone, welcome to Speak English Daily Series. 30 simple but useful phrases. The lesson is specially designed for beginner spoken English practice. So don't be shy, don't worry about mistakes, don't worry about grammar. Just listen carefully and repeat after me. Speak loudly and clearly. Let's begin. That's on my list. I'll take a look. Let's keep it simple. I'm still working on it. That reminds me of... I'll figure it out. Let's call it a day. It's worth a try. I'm all set. Take your time. That's up to you. I'm good with that. Just checking in. I'll pass this time. That works. Sounds good to me. Let me double check. I'm running late. I didn't expect that. That's a relief. I'm just saying that. Let's move on. That's the idea. I hear you. Good to know. I'm not used to it yet. Let me know. That's the plan. We'll see. Now let's see this mini conversation. How they are used in real life situations. Are you ready? Yes, I'm all set. Can we try this? Certainly, it's worth a try. I'll finish the work tomorrow. Sounds good to me. I might come a little late. No problem. Take your time. Did you practice speaking with me? Great job. Now save this video and practice speaking again and again. Every sentence you speak makes you more confident and makes your English more fluent. Comment yes if you found this video helpful. Like and share and subscribe to my channel if you're new.